あんちゃん何してんの？
これでみんなのゴルフバッグ縦に積めるだろう。
あんちゃん。
In Japan, there exists a class of vehicles known as Kei Cars, short for Keiji Dosha, meaning light automobile. Introduced in 1949 to provide affordable transportation in the post-war era, these compact cars adhere to strict regulations, no longer than 3.4 meters, no wider than 1.48 meters, and equipped with engines no larger than 660 cc's. Over the decades, Kei cars have diversified into various forms such as the agile Kei trucks like Suzuki Carry, versatile Kei vans such as Honda Acti, and even spirited sports cars like the Daihatsu Copen. Among these innovations is the Kei Camper, a compact yet fully equipped mobile dwelling that embodies Japan's ingenuity in maximizing minimal space. We fell in love with Japan's crazy, cute, small Kei Campers, and we knew we had to get one to plan our adventure across Japan. Our journey led us to a picture of this cute camper in Japan CRC, the website of the nation's largest RV rental car company. Equipped with the solar panel, fold-out bed, microwave, fold-up awning, air conditioning, all-wheel drive, and much more, we knew this was the one. I sent out an email and the rest was history. What have we got here, baby? Oh, that's amazing.
So it didn't work.
When we left, I thought it was open.
You can always climb through and open it from the inside. I don't know. I'll climb through.
There we go, baby.
And we got all this stuff.
Oh, nice.
Oh, cool. We got some cups.
That's a little to heat up things.
Oh, nice.
That's a pot.
Oh, cool. Pots. Little
Scrubber.
Heater. Things to eat out, which is good.
Yeah, good to
Probably
know.
cutlery. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Scissors and stuff. We got tissues. Baby. $5.99 and then you
So it goes.
How cool.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
That's going to be us later in the water. Oh, it is wobbly. Very impressive. There's quite fish in there. Oh, I'd love to go for a swim down there. Looks like a tractor cultivated this small plot of land. Adorable.
Put the bed down or something.
That's the view. that. It's really quiet. I think all the tour buses have left. I'm gonna go after you because it feels like a bit. I don't want to. Makes me nervous. I'm so heavy. Just
Like it's just reality. Isn't that crazy?
oh, I see.
It's like a different little world.
Ready for the shaky bridge?